know the story of the BMW greedy pig? This is Arschloch. Arschloch comes around every time there's an expensive part required. The more expensive the part, the more excited Piggy gets. Arschloch's getting old. Bit weathered, got a few tears, a few battle scars. Old guy's been around. He's been around, you know. Making bacon. So there's some others around. Not quite the experience that this one has yet. This one doesn't have a name. Arschloch's name came from Kay Gardner, one of my viewers. Made Tammy and I laugh when we saw that one. A lot of names were suggested. That was it. That fit this one perfectly. Arschloch the BMW greedy pig. So here's one of his little ones here. This is going to be the one that gets abused in the shop from now on, since old guy is going to sit on the shelf and rest. Semi-retired, kind of like me. This one needs a name. So if anybody's got any suggestions for Arschloch the BMW greedy pig's child, let me know. There's another one. This one's a mute. Well, it used to talk, but one of my offspring's friends squeezed the hell out of it, and it just has no voice box anymore. So when pigs fly, pigs on the wing, pig's ass, this one needs a name too. And that's the story of Arschloch. Arschloch has some other offspring that were adopted out. One went to my friend Grant Fowler in Australia. One went to Bruno in Canada. And another went to one of my viewers in Virginia that helped me out. With a part for a bike that I was working on. And that's it. That's Arschloch and his 5. No, there's one more. Oh yes, there's one more. Brandon has one too. So there's one in New Hampshire still. So that's Arschloch and his 5 offspring. These two need names. So if you got ideas, let me know. So long. That's the story of Arschloch. Oh! Pair of piggies. That are here.